This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Julian Maiucci. Newer built pool home in the heart of Palm City. No HOA. Metal roof, durable hardie board exterior siding, covered front porch with tongue and groove ceiling, and complete hurricane panels. Open floor plan with soaring ceilings throughout an enclosed back porch for extra living area. Expansive fenced backyard and pool deck with plenty of room to enjoy the outdoors. Mature landscaping, fire pit area, oversized one-car garage, extra wide driveway for additional parking, and more. Located close to great schools, shopping, dining, parks, golf courses, and boat ramps. For more information, review the details below or contact Julian Maiucci at 772-283-2800.